Buildings are major contributors to greenhouse gas emissions. By 2060, global building floor is projected to double, driving high energy consumption and cooling demands. In Asia, this demand is surging as cities expand, pushing governments towards sustainable materials, efficient design, and appliances. However, many governments still lack the tools, capacity, and financing to monitor carbon performance and enforce regulations. This is where the Asia Low Carbon Buildings Transition, or ALCBT project, comes in. Working across 5 Asian countries, Cambodia, India, Indonesia, Thailand, and Vietnam, to reduce GHG emissions by catalyzing nationwide shifts toward low-carbon buildings. This effort focuses on 4 main strategies. First, government capacity will be enhanced with standardized tools and systems, such as the Building Emissions Assessment Tool for whole building life cycle GHG assessment calculations, and a one-stop-shop platform featuring design standards, carbon metrics, and investor matchmaking in the ASEAN region. Second, industry professionals' technical capacity will be strengthened through training and tools. Third, financing for efficient cooling and low-carbon buildings will be boosted through common metrics and innovative business models. Finally, Asia Low Carbon Buildings Transition project aims to replicate and scale these efforts across India, ASEAN, and beyond, driving market demand and widespread adoption of low-carbon practices. Through a nationwide transition to low-carbon buildings, Asia Low Carbon Buildings Transition aims to achieve significant GHG reductions, promote low-carbon tools, advance enabling policies, and mobilize investments. In 2024, the ALCBT launches the Building Emissions Assessment Tool, a solution for assessing whole-life carbon building emissions. Aligned with international standards, it enables comparisons between traditional and low-carbon materials. A professional training program will engage over 4,000 stakeholders from government, industry, and financial institutions. More information on these tools and updates on the Asia Low Carbon Buildings Transition project can be found at Embracing low-carbon buildings in cities is an urgent priority for addressing environmental and climate emergencies. We must create a future where buildings are not just structures that drive economic growth, but also sustainable spaces that help preserve our planet for future generations to come.